Tesla stock hit its first resistance line today, and this is a very dangerous breakpoint for us over here, because if Tesla fails to break this line over here, the situation might get dangerous again. After all, this is still a downtrend on the daily chart. On the other hand, what if Tesla actually breaks this resistance area? Could this trigger a bullish reversal for us over here? This is why I'm telling you guys, this is a breakpoint for Tesla, and apparently it all depends on how it will react from here. This is what we're gonna talk about in this video. My name is Nathan. It is very nice to meet you guys. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. Now let's talk about Tesla stock daily chart. Here on the daily chart, Tesla is still in a downtrend. It is the bearish sentiment still prevails because, as far as I can see, Tesla is still making lower highs, lower lows. Only if Tesla starts making higher highs, higher lows, it is going to truly reverse the mid-term bearish sentiment over here. What's more, it just hit a critical breakpoint over here, the area around $240. This black line over here, very close to the 21 EMA, making this area a dual support area made by the 240 and the 21 EMA on the daily chart, the 21 exponential moving average. All right. So, some people ask me, Nathan, why do you use the 21 EMA? Guys, the 21 EMA is nothing more, nothing less but the average price of the last month. Because if in 1 year you have 252 business days, if you split that number by 12, you reach 21 days. Therefore, I use the 21 exponential moving average. It makes more sense, especially on the daily chart. Of course, you can use on other time frames as well, but the daily chart is our main anchor over here, right? So this is why I use mostly the 21 EMA as a trend tracker on the daily chart. All right. So, okay, we almost reached the 21 EMA over here. We hit the $240, and apparently this is a particularly powerful resistance level. Only if Tesla actually breaks this area over here around the 240s, we're going to see something new, all right? Maybe the trend is going to truly reverse, but as long as we stay below this key point, it is going to be very hard, it is going to be very problematic for Tesla to actually reverse the bearish sentiment. Because again, Tesla has been doing nothing but lower highs, lower lows, and as far as I know, nothing could stop Tesla if Tesla actually wants to correct more, if it loses the $217 support area over here. And this is another important key point for us to keep in mind, because the 217 was a previous top level over here, which we identified many months ago together here in this channel. And right now, we nailed this key point as a crystal clear support level, all right? We couldn't have nailed it better, such important support level, right? We hit this area over here and we did a very nice reaction. But guys, what Tesla is doing right now, it is just following the main market's sentiment. It is just following the indices over here. If we take a look at the indices, just memorize this chart. Top level, crashed, 1, 2, 3 candles, the last one is bearish. The S&P, top level, crashed, 1, 2, 3 candles, the last one is bearish. Nasdaq index, top level, crashed, 3 candles, 1, 2, 3, the last one is bearish. Just below the 21 EMA, just like the S&P is also below, the 21 EMA is also below a very important support level over here. It did react above a support level as well, right? So yes, Tesla is, in fact, it is looking very similar to what the broad market is doing, is making right now. Some people think that Tesla has its own life. No, it has not. Tesla will follow the main market's sentiment all the time. This is why it's very important for us to analyze the indices over here. Of course, sometimes Tesla is going to behave on its own, but these times are the exception, not the rule. Most of the time, Tesla will follow the main market's sentiment. And right now, it's just identical to what we see on the indices. Therefore, the indices would need to reverse as well, right? And they are still bearish. We need to see a bullish reaction on the indices. We gotta see the S&P breaking the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average, breaking the previous resistance level at 4.4K. The Nasdaq index faces a similar situation over here. It is below the 21 EMA on the daily chart. It is still making lower highs, lower lows. We have yet to see a meaningful reversal. Therefore, it is still bearish, but if we see the broad market actually reversing, I think Tesla in theory, Tesla could seek higher resistance levels. However, we gotta see a very good confirmation, but guys, a confirmation will not materialize until we trade below the $240 over here. This is the most important key point for us because see over here, 240. 240 was a previous support level 1, 2 times, multiple times here again. And right now, it is acting as a resistance level. Last week, it was a resistance level for us 1, 2 times. Right now, this week again. If we take a look at the weekly chart, we can see this a little bit better. Right here on this week, support level, top level last week, top level this week again. So 240. If you are bullish on Tesla, if you think that Tesla is gonna go up, the 240 is your nemesis. This is the key point. You wanna see Tesla breaking from here because only by breaking the 240, Tesla is gonna make something new chart-wise, and this could trigger a meaningful reversal to higher levels, potentially to the 254, potentially to the 270s over here again. I don't know, I don't need to know, and I have an important message to you guys. Tomorrow I will record video normally, but not this Thursday. This Thursday I won't record any video here on this channel. Therefore, it is very important for you to follow me on Instagram, alright? On Instagram, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on Tesla's price action. Just follow me over there, the Finance Hydra. Just take a look. I will update you guys on a few stories about Tesla's price action. I will be traveling, so I won't record videos properly Thursday and potentially next week as well. So just follow me on Instagram, alright? But for now, let's keep our eyes open at the 240 resistance level and the 217 support level because this is our main support level. Only if Tesla loses the 217 again, we might see a true bearish sentiment getting materialized over here on the weekly chart. Probably Tesla is going to try to seek lower support levels, maybe the 208 or even lower. The next technical support level as seen on the weekly chart over here is $150. So if Tesla loses the 217, it is going to be a very problematic situation. Not as problematic if you watch this video and you don't subscribe. I mean, if you're not my subscriber yet, just subscribe because I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on Tesla and on other stocks as well. Just like the indices over here, Nvidia. I would try to record a video on Nvidia today, but I don't promise you guys anything. Still, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this every single day. So follow me here, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate your support, my dear friends, your audience. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye-bye.